I haven't got this 2 storage pizza oven sold. 32 amps, 400 volt. So I will scrap it down. We got some cables, we got some stainless. We got something of everything. So I will scrap down and show you what's inside one of these big. I'm about 180 height and let's go to my stomach. So I will tear it apart. So it's taken down. It's killed. This is what I did get out from it. Steel pile. And the oven units. The stone was in. Magnetic stainless pile. Aluminum. And a bunch of coated copper. So I will take out the breakers and see what I can get out from it. Mostly aluminum bits and maybe some brass. We will see what the count says. I will clean up and then I will head in and work.